Down to the tropics, also breaking news, we now have Tropical Depression 5, which has formed to the east of the Windward Islands, and all signs indicating that this depression will only strengthen as it moves.
This is going to be named Ernesto.
The timing of that, the swath this is going to take in just a moment. First, want to touch on the tropical wave moving into the Caribbean right now, because this is impacting weather for any vacationers.
This will not. This is another system. It will not.
Rain and some gusty winds.
Right here.
Expect this to develop into a tropical cyclone, but it will bring an increased threat of heavy rain across parts of Cuba and into the Bahamas in the next couple of days. So one wave to watch there, and now our Tropical Depression 5.
Here are the stats.
West at 18 miles per hour, still
for this Tropical Depression 5, which will be named Ernesto later on.
The islands right now. And here's what we expect the storm to do. As it develops, it will eventually strengthen and become a tropical storm. The environment here looks favorable for that to happen. So still a TD, Tropical Depression 5, but with time, by tomorrow, winds pick up, and eventually, here we're looking at Friday night getting into Barbados, and we do have tropical storm watches now out for Barbados, St. Vincent, over to the Dominican, and St. Lucia also, because the track this is going to take right into the Caribbean will allow for the weather to go downhill here. We'll have higher winds, a higher surf, and some heavy rain as this continues to the west. And by Monday, looking at a storm which could be a Category 1 hurricane by this point. When it does get its name as a tropical storm, it will be Ernesto, and then perhaps we may have Hurricane Ernesto on our hands by Monday, and then from there, where this goes, it is too early to say. Chris, we are watching this one with all hands on deck here at the Weather Channel.
You know, that's true, Chris.